Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to your daily XRP update. Hope you're all doing great, hope you had a great weekend and welcome to this new video, or welcome to the channel if you're new. We're going to be covering XRP again, focusing on the technicals. If there's anything I can tell you about the fundamentals, I will definitely do so. I guess there are some fundamentals we can talk about regarding the market in general. But I'll just give you a full overview of what's happening right now with XRP, in my eyes at least. Of course, that's always the case. But before we get into XRP specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals in my signals group, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment on how to join. And you can also find results there, everything. All right, but now onto XRP. Excuse me. So fundamentally about the market, I mean, Bitcoin right now is doing fairly well. We're quite bullish, as you can see, over the last 3 hours practically, and we just now found some resistance, and we'll see. I think we can actually get a little bit higher, but for XRP, that does not mean that much. In the last candle, we did not go up that much. You can see that we're practically finding resistance at that 28 EMA, which is fairly interesting because I would actually argue that XRP is doing fairly well. So we obviously Saturday had that bearish breakout around 52 cents, which was not great, and we haven't broken above that since. But what you can see is that you can kind of see that this 50 EMA, that red line, is respected, and when that's respected, that's usually a sign of bullish momentum. So what you get right now, and this is totally a very weird market structure, but what you get is that you have this bullish momentum kind of coming up, and you still have this resistance between 52 and 52.5 cents. And I would argue that if we are able to break above that level at 52.5 cents, then I also think we can easily break above 54 and 55 cents. And that's not the problem. And then, we'll check our previous tops and we'll see whether we can actually get higher or not. But the big question is can we break above 52.5 cents when we are not responding to bullish momentum coming from the markets that much, at least? And just in general, even though we look fairly strong, 52 and 52.5 cents level has never really been broken, or it hasn't been, XRP hasn't been close to breaking it. So it's really waiting for that, to be honest. If I would give you my thoughts on which one is more likely, then I would say, as I said yesterday as well, that it's more likely that we will fall a little bit more, so break down below 50 cents, drop down to that 47 cents area before going up again. That's my most likely scenario based on market fundamentals, but also the technicals as I have observed them in the last couple of days. But I would say it's like a 40 to 60% chance. I think we got a decent chance of breaking above 52.5 cents, finding some resistance at 54, 55, and then actually taking that break retest and getting up even higher. I think it's very realistic. It's just not the most likely scenario because I think that we will receive some bearish pressure if Bitcoin finds resistance. I think Bitcoin will find resistance, and at this point of time, even though the support we get is strong, it's not as strong as the resistance we're getting, at least in the last 2 days. So yeah, that's my take on XRP and why I think what I think. But for now, if you do have any questions, then let me know. We can always discuss it down in the comments. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching and bye.